Hey guys, today in this detailed comparison, I examined two leading apps, Copilot and Simplifi. I will dive into each platform in order to showcase the strengths of both platforms. This should help you make an informed decision. Whether managing budgets, tracking spending, or achieving financial goals, understanding which app best suits your needs is crucial. Copilot is a popular budgeting app in the personal finance market. Its customizable features and in-depth financial tracking have garnered a dedicated user base. By allowing the linkage of various financial accounts, including credit cards and banks, it offers users a comprehensive overview of their financial status. The app excels in categorizing and analyzing monthly spending, providing detailed insights into expenditure patterns. Its ability to tailor budget categories and automate alerts further increases its appeal for those seeking a proactive approach to managing their finances. On the other hand, Simplifi is a finance management app, combines simplicity with powerful tracking tools to help users achieve their financial objectives. Known for its user-friendly interface, Simplifi allows for quick insights into spending, upcoming bills, and savings targets. It's designed for individuals who desire an uncomplicated yet effective method to oversee their finances, appealing to both beginners and those preferring a streamlined financial view. As a modern extension of the trusted Quicken brand, Simplifi has built customer trust by offering a tailored experience through its easy-to-navigate features, solidifying its reputation in the personal finance management industry. Simplifi is designed with a focus on simplicity and user-friendliness. Its clean and intuitive interface allows users to quickly understand their financial situation, track spending, and view upcoming bills and savings goals. This ease of use is particularly appealing to those who prefer a hassle-free approach to budgeting. Simplifi's layout is uncomplicated, making it easy for users to navigate and find the information they need without feeling overwhelmed. Copilot, while offering detailed insights and a high degree of customization, has an interface that can be slightly more complex. This complexity allows for more detailed tracking and analysis, but may require a bit more time for users to fully utilize all the features. For users who enjoy diving into the details of their finances and customizing their budgeting experience, Copilot is a great choice. However, for those who prioritize ease of use and a straightforward interface, I believe Simplifi is the better option. Simplifi simplifies the budgeting process, making it easy for users to set up and track their budgets. Its approach to budgeting is designed to give users a quick overview of their spending habits, enabling them to make informed financial decisions without getting bogged down in details. The app's ability to track expenses efficiently, categorize spending automatically, and provide alerts for upcoming bills adds to its appeal to users looking for a straightforward budgeting tool. Copilot, on the other hand, provides a more detailed approach to budgeting and expense tracking. It offers customizable categories and the ability to split transactions, which appeals to users who want more control over how their transactions are categorized and tracked. While Copilot's detailed approach is beneficial for users who want a granular view of their spending, Simplifi's simpler and more streamlined budgeting process is more user-friendly for the average person looking to manage their finances effectively. Simplifi stands out for providing quick and actionable insights into a user's financial health. Its reports are easy to understand and focus on helping users make quick decisions about their spending and saving habits. Simplifi's strength lies in its ability to present complex financial data in an easy-to-digest format, allowing users to get a clear picture of their finances without needing to delve into overly detailed reports. Copilot, while offering more in-depth financial analysis and detailed reports, might be more than what the average user needs for day-to-day financial management. Its detailed reporting is excellent for users who enjoy deep dives into their financial data, but for those who prefer quick and simple insights to guide their financial decisions, Simplifi is the more appropriate choice. Simplifi's ability to integrate with various financial institutions stands out for its consistency and reliability. The app smoothly synchronizes with different types of financial accounts, including bank accounts and credit cards, providing users with up-to-date information on their finances. This seamless integration is key to Simplifi's appeal, as it ensures that users have a hassle-free experience in managing all their financial accounts in one place. Copilot also offers robust account integration capabilities, allowing users to link multiple financial accounts to the app. However, Simplifi's more consistent and reliable synchronization process gives it an edge, especially for users who value simplicity and ease of use in their financial management tools. Simplifi's subscription model is designed with clarity and affordability in mind. The pricing is straightforward, with a single monthly or annual fee that gives users access to all features without any hidden costs. This transparency in pricing makes Simplifi a great choice for users who prefer a simple and predictable cost structure for their budgeting app. The value offered by Simplifi in terms of features and ease of use compared to the cost makes it an attractive option for those looking for a budget-friendly personal finance tool. Copilot also adopts a subscription-based model, offering different tiers of service. While this allows users to choose a plan that best fits their needs, Simplifi's single, comprehensive plan tends to offer better value for most users. The simplicity of Simplifi's pricing model, combined with its comprehensive feature set, makes it a more appealing option for users seeking both functionality and affordability in a personal finance app. In my comparison between Simplifi and Copilot, I found each app has its unique strengths, catering to different user preferences in the realm of personal finance management. Simplifi stands out for its ease of use, efficient budgeting and expense tracking, concise financial insights, reliable account synchronization, and straightforward pricing model. Its user-friendly interface and practical features make it an ideal choice for individuals seeking a straightforward and effective tool to manage their finances. Copilot, with its detailed categorization, customizable budgeting, and in-depth financial analysis, appeals to users who desire a more hands-on approach to their financial tracking. However, for those looking for an app that combines simplicity, efficiency, and affordability, Simplifi is the preferred choice. For anyone looking to streamline their financial management with a user-friendly and cost-effective tool, Simplifi is worth considering. Its balance of features and simplicity makes it a top choice in the personal finance app market. So that's it for this comparison. If you find this video helpful, then consider subscribing and giving a big thumbs up. Thanks.